and take a peek. Oh boy, does that look good. There, look at the little pepperonis being cupped. So we're gonna make pizza today. First off, we need a good fire, some cast iron. Right now what we're gonna use is the Cuisinel Combo Set. Works as a Dutch oven. You might have seen this before, but here's what's really important to make a great pizza is this insert that I came up with. It's the fire grate from one of those Green Egg BBQs. Just fits in there so that it's supported up about an inch and a half or so from the bottom, so we're not going to burn the bottom. We'll go over to the table and start building our pizza. So we're going to have mozzarella cheese. We've got an organic pizza sauce. We've got some pepperoni. All right, now the pizza dough. You know, I could try to make pizza dough from scratch out here, but why go through all that hassle, and it's got to be warm enough and this and that. I just pack along the pre-made pizza dough. You know, as long as you can keep it cold the whole time, you're good. I'm gonna start forming a ball. We got our round nice and made. We just need some pizza sauce. Okay, so let's load on some mozzarella. Now we gotta put our pepperoni. Just like so. I'll eat that one. And just a little more, a few more pieces on the top. And I'm gonna use a spatula to try and work it off there. And we'll see how this goes. Got the pizza here. I'm gonna put the lid off to the side for a second. She's smoking in there. See that plate up there high? Now, trick is just getting this slid off. If we get that, we got her made. Oh, close. Oops. We'll fix that up. All right, get the lid on. Give this about 15 to 20 minutes. Move some heat on top here. I'm at 470 on the side, 275 on the top. It's been just about 15 minutes here. We'll take a peek. I've been able to keep the top like around 275. The sides were 450. I think the inside there was probably 375 to 4. And take a peek. Oh boy, does that look good. There, look at the little pepperonis being cupped. Okay, I'm gonna take this over the table. Take a look at the bottom where the cheese slid off there. It's stuck, but other than that, it's not stuck at all. But just from the cheese and pepperoni that slid off. Okay. See if I can lift this up where you can see it. I haven't even seen it. Oh, it's a little brown. There. Oh, nothing's gonna fall off. There we go. But let's try this out. Yeah. Let's see. Even though I overdid the bottom a little bit, it doesn't taste burnt. And it's cooked all the way through. Nice and puffy here. That's really good. So there you have it. That's how you make a real pizza when you're out camping. Look at that. You can even see little air holes in it. So, hope you enjoyed this segment, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.